Do you guys have any review out there for the sway bars on the A6 C8? Really happy to know what it brings, what the experience is like installing one. What does your sway bar do with the comfort of the A6 C8? Sway bars and links always needed. Can it be fitted on the C8 with air suspension? We just released this product like last week, so I don't believe we have any reviews. I will say, from my experience, I would recommend doing the sway bars and the end links because these sway bars are almost 400% stiffer than the factory ones.
700 on the A6.
Yeah, the A6 is huge.
700
the
on the
rear
A6.
is like
Okay.
twig comparison.
Yeah, 700%. So the factory end links just aren't that strong. The last thing you want is to be in a corner and have your end links break. You're going to notice much flatter cornering, much more responsive steering. It's going to make just driving around town more fun. And then if you really want to go faster on a corner, the car is going to be more balanced and flatter, easier to control through the corner. So I thought we were talking about R6 sway bars. The A6 sway bars we released a few months ago, but I'm not sure if anyone's left reviews for those.
Not yet. You can tell the gentleman to email in contact at, and we can answer more questions directly.
Yeah, you can email contact at if you'd like as well, but I can't recommend the modification enough. These sway bar kits are the kind of perfect street driving upgrades to do. It won't change the comfort of the car at all. Your car will still ride nice. You're not going to notice like a lot of vibrations or anything like that by any means. But sway bars are a really good low compromise upgrade. I strongly recommend it.